Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Ka East Khasi Hills District Marway kadan hadu Santali Community Health Center ba lifeline tali ki primary health centers ki ba ajing shakri ki pajba shakishnong ba pher hendre wala kata ka jingdon jongini ki jaka ajing sumar kampala satyaban ay ka jing shakri ki bapura namar bak sarkar dang don kam machna khambun ki community health center unoyalam jokaliang persya ki yung dorba thawang ki jala uba roni wiling do hak jing krem ki la pathai khubur hadim pelawai ki jing alang bala pelong da menteri ki tanak ko ka khya ka sarkar jala ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo ulo ang bayamenta tangha East Khasi Hills kidan Pratli Community Health Centers badang Donkam Shuh bansna sa Santali kalba ka jingdon jogi primary health centers kalong Laipu Pratli badang Donkam bansna sa Laipu Laitli ulai thu balada ka sarkar kan pelut pisa bansna ki community health centers ki Thymmai kan hab anmang pisa hado Shuphok lur tingka
Presently CHCs in East Khasi Hills presently 8, so required 5 more as per now. So 8 CHCs are there now in East Khasi Hills. Present we have 38 and then required 33 more. For example, now for a CHC, I think it's about 10 crores, 10 crore rupees for a new CHC to set up infrastructure. For one CHC. Problem is, for example, like I said, we have only one PHC to serve the entire Malayan constituency. In fact, adjoining villages not falling under Malayan constituency also go to Pomlong PHC for treatment. So if this is upgraded, it's going to facilitate the people of their constituency to get health care as close as possible to their villages. If not upgrade, at least more manpower, in the sense more doctor, more nurses, and then more medicines to be supplied, so that most of the people who go to this PHC, CHC, government health centers come from low economic background. First, okay, fine, diagnostic they get free, but then ultimately, medicines they have to procure. So if these are made available at the health centers, then it will ease the problem of poor people who are getting health care from this center. Some of them are having PHCs, maybe 1 or 2 more are required, but I think more or less 33, that means about 2, 3 in each constituency, because we have about 17 constituencies, including urban areas. So more or less about 2, 3 in each constituency. Climate change. Okay, so do we have the technology to adopt this climate resistant seeds or crops? Now with the we are all facing this climate change. So I believe even in the in the crops this also will be affected, and if this is not addressed, then we're going to have the problem of food security. So these also were flagged, and then for example now to improve the lot of the farmers, to raise the living standard, to improve them economically. I mean, we should look at other crops that are fetching higher price, and then we flagged this issue also of incentivizing people to adopt organic farming. It will not only improve them economically, raise their income. In fact, we're going to have a healthy population if the food we consume is healthy. Now, we have to strike a balance, because if we adopt this, the soil itself is so toxic that you need at least a gap of minimum 3 years, to stop using chemical fertilizer for the soil, to be able to cultivate organically. So if we immediately adopt organic farmer, then for 3 years, the people will have a problem. So we have to strike a balance. That's why we said we have to incentivize the farmers that, if you shift to organic farming, how are they going to benefit economically? So that we have proposed that, we set up, exclusive markets to sell this organic produce. Once the farmers realize that they're going to gain more by shifting to organic cultivation, organic farming, then of course gradually we can wean them away from using chemical. But right now, if we do it at one stroke, then maybe the farmers are not ready. They have to be trained, and then biofertilizer, biopesticides, whether they are available at that scale that is required. We have to look into all the logistics.